Okay, we're going to take a look at our hypothesis. Our hypothesis says the first equation in your methods in learning was in slope-intercept form. Well, it's always good to look at what it's saying. So here it says this is the first equation. This is slope-intercept form. It's called that because it gives you the slope right here, which is 3 over 5, followed by the y-intercept, which is -9. So it's called slope-intercept form because you can see the slope and the y-intercept right away. Back to the hypothesis, it says the second was in standard form, and that's this one here. Standard form is when both variables are on the same side of the equation. Okay, so the first question is actually a very simple question. Which is easier for identifying the slope and y-intercept? Well, of course, the slope-intercept form is really easy, and the standard form is kind of hard. It takes a little work. So it's a very simple question. It's really just to get you to think about it. Slope-intercept is much easier. Okay, next up. Which steps are needed to identify slope and y-intercept in standard form? Well, here we have our standard form, and what do we do? Well, in this case, we subtracted from both sides, and then we divided from both sides. So we're just going to say we subtract both sides. And then divide both sides. Alright, there we have that. Alright, and then predict. So P stands for predict. Will it always be possible to convert from standard form to slope-intercept form? I would think so. Now you get to put your own opinion, but if this is standard form and I want to get to slope-intercept form, I just want to get y alone. And it seems like if y is in the equation that I should always be able to do it. So I'm going to predict that yes, it will be possible. Will the steps of converting from standard form to slope-intercept form always be the same? Well, this time we subtracted and then we divided. That might always be the same. Sometimes you might add, right? Sometimes it's possible that you might multiply or do something else. So I'm going to go with no, sometimes